Are you looking for the best smartwatches for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best smartwatches for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kidizoom Smartwatch DX2. VTech Kidizoom Smartwatch DX2 is one of the highest-rated kids smartwatches on Amazon, and for good reason. It's packed with multiple activities, games, and intuitive challenges that'll keep your little one busy all day long. Your child can play with its built-in voice changer and snap hundreds of photos and videos using its camera. Other features include an alarm, a timer, a stopwatch, a calendar, a calculator, and a pedometer. It's durable, easy to use, and loads of fun. It also comes in blue and purple and offers several different watch faces to pick from. The watch is splash-proof and very scratch-resistant, making this an all-around good pick. More, the absolute best tablets for kids. At number 2. Tobi 2 Robot Smartwatch. Level up your kid's smartwatch with the Tobi Trademark 2 Robot Smartwatch. Play games head-to-head against other Tobi Trademark 2 Robot Smartwatches, experience advanced graphics, and take photos with a motion-activated selfie camera. Stand out with a cool wristband and LED lights that illuminate the cool, clear housing. The two built-in cameras film videos and snap selfies. Customize photos with decorative stickers and borders. Plus, store up to 3640 by 480 pixels photos or 30 minutes of 320 by 240 pixels video. Tobi Trademark 2 Robot Smartwatch will keep kids moving and laughing with the built-in pedometer, dance activity game, and augmented reality walk and wonder game. Kids can choose from a variety of brain, arcade, and fitness games to earn rewards and unlock additional features for even more play. The Tobi Trademark 2 Robot Smartwatch has so much personality, speaks gibberish, giggles and cycles through more than 100 expressions. This great special occasion or birthday gift for boys and girls includes a calculator, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, calendar, reminders, and more than 50 watch faces. Use parental controls to set limits on screen time and approve wireless connectivity connections. Features a kid-friendly touchscreen, built-in rechargeable battery, and a micro USB cable for charging, as well as transferring photos and videos to a computer. The splash-proof Tobi Trademark 2 Robot Smartwatch keeps kids learning, entertained, and active. At number 3. Apple Watch SE with GPS. If you want to make your son or daughter's year and don't mind spending the money, the Apple Watch is one of the best smartwatches you can buy. It may be too powerful for most kids, but iPhone-wielding teens will be able to figure it out in no time. It's pretty decently waterproof and hard to scratch, but we still recommend investing in an insurance policy. The Apple Watch SE is Apple's most inexpensive smartwatch. It does a fine job of tracking your teen's fitness to get them involved in their own health and wellness. With phone call and text message capabilities, your teen can't say that they missed your barrage of messages either. We'd recommend getting the smaller and more affordable 40mm watch for a teen over the 44mm model. The Apple Watch comes in several different color and band combinations that vary in price. Just note that it doesn't work with Android smartphones, it requires an iPhone. It also comes with a new family share option for kids. More fun Apple Watch accessories for your gadget. At number 4. Best for fitness. The Vivofit Jr 3 from Garmin is a waterproof fitness tracker that helps get your little one up and moving. It tracks steps and sleep quality, and it records their active minutes to help them form positive habits. Parents can set daily activity goals, customize an in-case of emergency screen with their contact information, and participate in fitness challenges using fitness trackers of their own. The watch even gives you the option to send customizable alerts and chores lists to the device, and you can reward your child with virtual coins for completing goals, fitness or otherwise. As a bonus, the Vivofit Jr 3's built-in battery lasts for a whole year. At number 5. Best for calls and texts. This Android-based watch is another great option for helping kids keep in close contact with their parents. That's because it has a built-in nano SIM card slot, so you can activate it with your mobile carrier for texting and receiving phone calls. The watch even has Google Maps integration and SafeZone settings, so you can track your child's location and be alerted if they leave a specific boundary. The glass is tough, and the whole thing is wonderfully splash-proof. The band is also durable and stretchy. You'll love that this watch is waterproof and features a step counter. Your son or daughter will appreciate its built-in camera and emoji support, too.